Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I have Risa. How old are you?
29.
29 years old. Are you single or married?
Not single, but have a fiance.
Taken?
Yeah.
Okay. How many years or a month with together your fiancé?
2 years
2 years? How you meet your fiancé?
through dating app like Christian Filipina.
Okay. So you join for the Christian Filipina, your pay or pray?
No, he's the one to pay so that
Mm-hmm.
I can message free and then I can read the message free.
Okay. So like how many months or a year before you find your fiance in the dating site? How you find? How many months before you find your fiance in dating site?
No, maybe it's just like 6 months or
6
something.
months?
Mm-mm.
So you find she messed with you or the first? You the first.
Me.
You? And then?
And then when the first time I messaged him, like I said hi or something, and
Mm.
then we are changing a message, and then there's a time that he was block me right
Huh?
away. And then he said like, if you always disturbing me, I'm gonna block you right away, and then he gonna block me
Okay.
right then, and
Okay.
then and then maybe that time that he was something problem or what.
Okay.
And then that's the reason like he blocked me because he was get scammed before in Christian
Oh,
Filipina.
his experience for the scam. The
Mm-mm.
Filipina?
Yeah, in Kuanda, Mindanao.
In the Mindanao.
Mm-mm.
I see. So
Like,
you mean your fiancé now before he experienced for the scam. So
mm-mm.
that's why he's very careful.
Yeah, that's why he think that I'm asking money, but no.
I
But
see.
that time, because maybe he think like, oh, maybe like he's coming me again
Mm-mm.
because that time I'm just studying like college or something, third year that time,
Okay.
and then maybe he think like I'm a scammer again, so he's
Okay.
scared. So he said like, if you message me again, I'm
Oh,
gonna block you right away. So he gonna block me almost 5 days.
5 days.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then when we go to the school, like I'm using my classmate's SIM card so that
Mm-mm.
I text him, and then he said,
Ah,
"For you" or something. Who's
okay.
this? And then I
Okay.
said like, I'm just using the SIM card or number so that I can message you. And then he
Okay.
said like, you don't understand. I don't want to text me or something. So he blocked
Okay.
me
Oh
again.
my God.
Oh,
So two times he blocked
oo.
you.
Yeah,
Oh
two
my God.
times.
And then?
And then I don't know what in his mind that time that he unblocked. No, I'm the one forcing like, can you please unblock me or something?
Mm-mm.
I'm the one finding a way to make him unblock me, and then maybe the time that he proved that I'm not a scammer like what
Mm.
the ladies, that's almost a big money that is come to him before that. It's just like for getting visa or something, that lady said
So
like,
you mean your fiancé experienced for the scam Filipina
mm-mm.
for sending the money for processing the visa like that?
Yeah, and then that
Oh,
lady said like, she asking money and money and money for processing the
oh,
visa, and then there's the date like maybe the lady said that there's that's the date na that she was going to
mm-mm.
America, and then
Okay,
he was believed. So because that time he don't know what's the processing for that one,
okay.
so he's sending money and money, and
Mm.
then that lady said like, oh, this day I'm gonna go right there na and pick me in the airport. And
Okay,
that time he goes
okay.
to the airport, but the lady doesn't come right there. And then the sad part is the lady asking again 25,000 or
Oh my
15
God.
because he was hold down in the immigration or something.
Oh, another drama.
Yeah, because he
Okay.
bring down those food or perfume that is not allowed in immigration. And then
Okay.
he said like, she needs another 15 just to
Mm.
pay that one, and he can out in the immigration, but
Okay.
he don't know if that is the scam, so he's
Mm.
still sending money until he was waiting and waiting until there's nothing coming right
Oh my
there.
God. But he not meet in the person, only meet.
No, in
Oh
the
my.
dating app.
My God. He's
Mm.
very trust.
Yeah, that's the time that he was like having a trust issue or
Yeah.
something because, oh, why you text me? Maybe you're asking money
Yeah.
again.
Because he's caring for the scam.
Mm.
So he's very like he's a trauma like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a big money because it looks like 100 USD, more than that one.
Wow. Hmm. It's
But that's the time like maybe And that's the day that he was come with that lady that the day that I was message him.
Oh my.
That's why I said like, if you always message me, I'm gonna block you right away.
Okay.
Yeah, and then that day he blocked me, and then I said like,
Two times,
what's
three times. How many times? He.
3 times.
Oh my God.
And then I said like, what's wrong? I'm not doing anything. I'm just message, and
Okay.
then I'm finding a way. I'm using my classmate's phone or everything just to
Okay.
message him.
Okay.
I'm telling you, don't bother me right now. But I keep message and message. But right then he was unblocked me, and then that's the started na like we are chatting back and forth,
Ah,
and
okay.
then he
Okay.
was planning to go here around March 2025. Yeah.
Wait, I asking with you, why you not like stop because he's three times for block you. Why you cannot stop for message for your fiance?
That time,
Or that time?
I don't know,
Why you're
maybe
very interesting?
because on his profile, like,
Ah.
because he already have 6 kids, and then I see right there, like,
Mm.
I don't know what's in my mind that time, like,
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna pick this guy because I look right there, like, he's a gentleman or something and a good
Okay.
father to the kids.
Yeah.
That's why that time, like, and that's the only guy that I see in that dating app that I wanted to message. And then,
Oh, okay.
I don't know, maybe that's a first love or something.
Oh.
And then, shit, he was like, if you message me and then I calling that one using my number, even if I'm gonna pay,
Okay.
but he's gonna block me again. And then I said, maybe that's not the right one for me,
Yeah.
but
But
no.
how old your boyfriend?
Right now,
Yeah.
he's 68,
68 and you?
29.
29 is young. So do you have a plan for someday for married for the future?
Yeah, we're planning that one, but by May, he
Yeah.
gonna come back right there because he have a health issue, like he was a open heart surgery,
Oh,
and then he needs to go back for uh, check up again if what's happening now, because they found right then that he have a aneurysm or something with the heart. And after that one, when he get back around July, that's the time that we're planning for
oh,
that
I
one.
see. So he have a maintenance for the medicine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like he have diabetes,
Oh,
and then high blood,
high
and
blood.
then the medicine for the heart.
Oh, so you mean he have a like three for the prep? What do you
No,
call that?
not only 3, because every time I saw his medicine,
Yeah.
it's all 12 medicine
Oh
right
my,
there
it's a
in
lot.
just, yeah,
But he
that's
have a
12.
problem. Heart, high blood, and
Diabetes.
diabetes.
But the
Oh,
diabetes is insulin.
I see. That is very difficult. The what I call diabetes. Yes.
Yeah, because he's using not the injection for that one, not the medicine.
Oh, I see. For the 1 year for with together your boyfriend, what is your experience? That is your first time boyfriend, the foreigner.
Yeah.
What is your experience?
It's just like, uh, it's nice the feelings, like, because some Filipinas said like it's nice to have a foreigner boyfriend because
Yeah.
they said like kind, sweet, lovable, compared, but not
Yeah.
all. But with him, he is a kind and then a good-hearted man, and then he was love kids,
Oh, yeah.
and then he was a helpful man. Like, if there's some people asking him, like, he's not like hesitate to give whatever he have. That's the kind of attitude that I like him. Like, he was easy to help to people that is needed. That's the one I like for him.
So your boyfriend, he's the first time in the Philippines or?
Yeah, that's his first time.
Oh, I see.
Like, he was go right there around March 2025, and I
Oh.
pick him to the airport in Dumaguete, and that's the
Okay.
time that he was like experienced riding tricycle.
I see.
Yeah, that's his first time. But now, no, he was go here around March, and then he go back by August, the
Oh.
second time, and now it's her third time right here.
Oh, I see. And if he come back to the US, like how many months for limit for stay there?
1 month.
1 month only. And then he come back here in the
Yeah, because
Philippines. He love here in the Valencia.
yeah, he
Oh,
loves
I
the
see.
most Valencia.
Yeah, because Valencia is very nice weather here.
Yeah, the weather is cold,
Yeah, yeah, and then
peaceful.
yes, especially in public market Valencia every Sunday. Yes, very
the
nice there.
food.
Yes. So, for you the first time to meet to your boyfriend, what are your feeling? You meet in the airport?
Yeah, that's the time that it feels like nervous and shaking
Wow.
because like, oh my god. And then it makes me shocked because they said like the face and phone and the
Oh,
face in personal is different. So
why?
because he's just handsome na in the phone. And
Ah,
then when I met him in the airport, I said like, is that him? It looks like the same. It's not like the same. But
yeah.
the time that when I'm calling him and then he picked up the phone, so I said, oh my God, that's him.
Ah,
And then it's like the same, like, oh, the phone is not like, his face is not like that on the phone.
I think he's using before the old
Filter.
picture, like that, old picture.
No, because we are always doing video call or something.
Ah,
And then I
okay.
said like, you cannot tell the eye a person like that's his
Oo.
original face on the phone
Okay.
unless you can see that one on
Oh,
person.
yeah.
Like his eyes is so blue, and then in the phone it
Oh,
looks like black or brown. And then oh, I'm shocked, and then I'm just nervous that time.
yeah.
I don't know what I'm gonna do because that's the first time, and he also like
Mm.
he's shaking that time because he was get scammed
Yeah,
before.
yes,
And
yes.
then all his daughters back in America like
Mm-mm.
don't like him to go right here because they said like maybe their dad get scammed again right here.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
because it's very dangerous if you're again you experience for the scammer.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then he proved that one the
Oh.
time that I pick him up right there and we take pictures together and
Ah,
he sent
good.
that one.
Yeah.
Their kids right there is peaceful na, and then
Wow,
they
it's
have peace of
nice.
mind
It's nice.
because no, their daughters doesn't like him to go right here, but
Mm,
as he
okay.
said, he loved Philippines, so he
Yes.
go right here.
Yeah, because the Philippines is very nice for retirement for the foreigner.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Compare right here, all her daughter is all have married na, and he
Mm-mm.
was alone together with the dog.
Oh, you don't have a ex-wife?
He have three.
Huh?
He have three wives plus six daughters.
Wow, sala.
That's why ganit.
Very strong.
That's why they said that like each wife like they have two kids, and then
The other one.
yeah, the other one is two again, and the last one is two. That's why they said like, oh, maybe next time you have another two kids. That's eight.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but I don't know if he can make two.
But do you have a plan for the someday you have a kid with your
Yeah.
partner? Oh,
Yeah, he
okay.
wants to have two only or one. That's
I
fine.
see. Because the foreigner is very beautiful, no? The blood, yes. Especially the eyes,
Yeah,
eye,
we get
nose.
insecure if we get some Filipina like carrying a baby. I said,
Mm-mm.
oh, we need to make that one. But he said next time.
Next time.
But I don't know if he can make because their age.
But you're 29, right?
Yeah,
So
but their
he's
age.
young. But he's the 68th, right?
Mm-mm.
So I think he's give for the baby with you.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
because there's some no that they
Yeah.
are just around 70, they can make for the baby.
But he don't have a baby.
Hmm?
You're pure single.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that is guys to my interview to Risa.
Please subscribe, run this channel,
Yes,
run this
guys.
Philippines journey.
Yes, and the next is my husband for interview to Risa. And see you there guys. Bye-bye.
Subscribe.